So, welcome back po sa ating page. So, ang topic natin po today ay arithmetic series. Particularly, arithmetic series for odd and even numbers. Ano nga ba yung arithmetic series? Arithmetic series is the sum of a certain set of numbers. So, for example, the sum of numbers from 1 to 50, 1 to 25, ganyan yung arithmetic series natin. So, yung topic natin dito ay para sa mga odd and even number na arithmetic series. So, let's start. So, for example, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 100. So, arithmetic series meron niyang formula. Pero just in case na nahihirapan ka sa formula, I'll give you a shortcut. Step 1, find the last odd number in the series. So, dito sa ating set ng numbers from 1 to 100, ang last odd number ng ating series ay 99 kasi ang 100 ay isang even number. Step 2 natin, add 1. So, 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Step 3, divide the result in step 2 by 2. So, 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Step 4, multiply the result by itself. So, 50 multiplied by 50 is equal to 2,500. So, ang sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 100 is 2,500. Another example, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 65. Again, step 1, find the last odd number in the series. So, 65. Add 1. So, 65 plus 1 is 66. Step 3, divide the result by 2. So, 66 divided by 2 is equal to 33. And multiply the result by itself. So, 33 times 33 is equal to 1,089. So, sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 65 is 1,089. So, doon sa mga naman example natin, ang ating set ng numbers ay nagsisimula sa 1. But what if hindi siya na magsimula sa 1? Like yung ating third example. So, find the sum of all odd numbers from 23 to 80. So, step 1 natin, compute the sum of the series as if it starts from 1. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, yung ating naunang process o yung ating mga naunang step, so, sa kaninang example natin, 1 and 2, gagawin lang din natin as if nag-start ng 1 ang ating set of numbers. So, ang last odd number natin sa 23 to 79 is 23 to 80 is 79. So, add 1 is equal to 80. And 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. And 40 multiplied by 40 is 1,600. So, sa step 2 natin, compute for the sum of the series that is not part of the series starting from 1. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Kasi nga ang ating set of numbers ay nagsisimula sa 23. So, ibig sabihin yung 1 to 22 ay hindi kasama. But, for our example, kasi nga ang hinahanap natin is mga odd numbers, ibig sabihin yung last set of numbers na hindi natin kasama is from 1, 3, 5 hanggang 21. So, kukumputin natin yung sum nito using the same steps as the previous example. So, ang last odd number natin is 21. We add 1 is equal to 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. Ang step 3 natin ngayon, subtract part 2 from part 1. Ibig sabihin, yung nakuha natin sa step 2, ibabawas natin siya sa step 1. So, 1,600 minus 121 is equal to 1,479. Yan ang ating result. O yan yung sum of all odd numbers from 23 to 80. Another example, find the sum of all odd numbers from 30 to 100. So, step 1, katulad din ng ating example number 3, compute as if it starts from 1. So, ang last odd number natin dito ay 99. Then, 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. 50 multiplied by 50 is equal to 2,500. Then, step 2, compute uli yung series na hindi kasama sa ating example. So, ang mga odd numbers na hindi kasama dito is 1, 3, 5, 7 hanggang 29. So, ang last odd number sa mga hindi kasama dito ay 29. Then, 29 plus 1 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. And 15 multiplied by 15 is equals to 225. Then, kung i-subtract uli natin ang ating step 2 from step 1. So, 2,500 minus 225, ang ating sagot ay 2,275. Ibig sabihin, the sum of all odd numbers from 30 to 100 is 2,275. So, punta naman tayo sa arithmetic series ng mga even numbers. For our first example, find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 100. Step 1, find the last even number of the series. So, ang last even number natin dito ay 100. Step 2, divide the number by 2. So, 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Multiply the result of step 2 by the number next to it. So, ano yung kasunod ng 50? 51. So, 50 multiplied by 51 is equal to 2,550. So, ibig sabihin, the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 100 is equal to 2,550. Another example, find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 65. Again, step 1, find the last even number in the series. So, ang last even number sa ating series ay 64. Step 2, divide the number by 2. So, 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. Then, multiply the result of step 2 by the number next to it. Again, 32. Ang next number niyan ay 33. So, 32 multiplied by 33 is equal to 1,056. But again, what if naman kung ang ating set of numbers ay hindi uli nagsisimula sa 1? From our example, nag-start siya dito ng 23 daw. So, same lang ng process dito sa pag-compute ng arithmetic series or yung sum ng ating mga odd numbers. Una, compute for the sum of the series as if it starts from 2. 2 kasi, ang hinahanap natin dito ay even numbers. Yung ating example kanina ay para sa mga odd numbers yun. Kaya mag-i-start tayo sa 1. So, ang last even number natin sa ating set of numbers ay 80. So, 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. So, 40 multiplied by a number next to it. So, 41. 40 times 41 is 1,640. Step 2, compute for the sum of the series that is not part of the series starting from 2. So, ano yung mga number na hindi kasama sa ating set of series from 23 to 80? So, yung 2, 4, 6, 8, hanggang 22. Kasi sila yung mga even numbers na hindi kasama sa ating set of numbers. So, yung last even numbers sa set na hindi kasama ay 22. Again, divide it by 2. Ang makukuha natin ay 11. Multiply by a number next to 11. So, 11 multiplied by 12 is equal to 132. Step 3, subtract part 2 from part 1. So, 1,640 minus 132, our answer is 1,508. Another example, find the sum of all even numbers from 30 to 100. So again, step 1 natin, compute the sum of the series as if it starts from 2. So 100, ang ating last even number, divided by 2, we get 50. Multiply by the next number. So 50 times 51 is equal to 2,550. For step 2, compute for the sum of the series that is not part of the series starting from 2. So ano yung mga hindi kasama dito? 2, 4, 6, and hanggang 28. So ang last even number sa ating series ay 28. So 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. And 14 multiplied by the next number is, which is 15. So 40 times 15 is equal to 210. So subtract part 2 from part 1. So 2,550 minus 210 is equal to 2,340. So ganito po ang pag-compute ng arithmetic series for odd numbers and even numbers. Sana ay may natutunan kayo, and see you again sa ating next lecture. Thank you very much.